In this video, we are going to create hexbin plots with bin sizes and colors. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for how to create hexbin plot with bin sizes and colors. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. Now this use case requires pandas and matplot library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install scripts in one click. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. The pandas library is used to create a data frame object, which is a two-dimensional table-like data structure with labeled axes. And the matplot library is used to create the scatter plot and hexbin plot. The scatter plot is a way of displaying the relationship between two variables, x and y, by plotting them on a two-dimensional plane. And the hexbin plot is similar to the scatter plot, but it is used when the data is too dense to be displayed effectively using dots. Let's run the code now. And you have created hexbin plot with bin sizes and colors.